Hello everyone, my name is Ashwin and I'm from New Delhi. I started my weight loss journey with Ketorets on September 19, 2023, so it's around 3 months. And in these 3 months, I have lost approximately 9 kgs and 18 inches. I'm a single mom. I work in US shift timings, and those are super weird shifts, like starting my day at 11 p.m. And along with that, I'm pursuing my higher studies, so it becomes very difficult to take care of yourself when you are surrounded with so many responsibilities, and that too, have a super naughty and active kid around you all the time. So the moment I wake up, I'm on my toes till the time, in the morning he leaves for his school. So all these things, all these responsibilities, I was not able to take care of myself, and just because of that, I faced so much of health issues like thyroid, anxiety, body pain, issues with my sleep cycle, and knee pain. So knee pain was the worst of all. And just because of, all these things, I was into so much of stress all the time. I used to stress eat. I used to, I used to eat a lot of sweets when I'm stressed, when I'm overthinking. But I really had to put an end to all of this. And luckily, once when I was just going through Instagram, I saw Ketorets. I followed the page, and after a few months, I attended one of the live session, and I was so impressed by all the responses I got from Rahul that it made me think कि नहीं यार, अब तो करना है, अब तो कुछ भी हो जाए, अपने लिए टाइम निकालना है, अपना वेट लॉस करना है, अपने आप को फिट रखना है, because I have to take care of my son as well, all by myself. Then I spoke to Rahul. I had so many questions. Even on the live session, I had asked so many questions, and he answered all of those. And he was so nice. He listened to me, what I had to say. He understood my issues. He understood what my circumstances are, how much time I can give to myself to make my meal, if I can go out for workout or if I can do home workout. We discussed everything on that call. And since then, I feel so confident when I walk. मतलब जो नी पेन की वजह से मैं एक स्टेयर भी नहीं उतर पाती थी, now I can easily climb stairs even in heels. And Rahul is an amazing buddy. I would say, I wouldn't say coach. You're not a coach. You're a buddy to me. Because हम सब कुछ डिस्कस करते हैं about my personal life, my professional life. Even मेरे भाई की शादी की मेहंदी के डिज़ाइंस भी हम डिस्कस कर रहे थे. So I feel so glad to have you around. And I'm just looking forward to what we will achieve in 2024. So let's see. Thank you. And I would also like to add that as I have very limited time, so my biggest concern was कि मैं खाना कैसे बनाऊंगी, वो भी on daily basis. I mean, meal prep करके रखना हो तो वो तो different बात होती है, but cooking a different dish every day was the biggest challenge. But इतनी easy recipes and yet so yummy कि मेरा खुद खाना बनाने का मन करता है. And I cook my meal around 1:30 or 2 a.m. while I'm working. I take a break from my work and I cook. So the recipes are amazing.